Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good afternoon. तो कैसे हो आप सर? बहुत अच्छा। खाना वाना खाया?
खाया
कैसे लगा?
अच्छा।
क्या खाया?
सुबह खाया था।
आज खाया सर। थोड़ा देर पहले कुछ बोल रहा था, अंडा खाया। कौन? हाँ?
सुबह चावल खा के आया, अभी तो नहीं खाया।
अभी खिचड़ी दिया ना।
सर 18
ट्यूसडे।
वो तो लिखा हुआ है ना? So, before starting our today's class, I want to say, or I want to get one information from you. What is counting numbers? Can anyone say from this side? What is counting numbers? Amrika, what is counting numbers? Stand up. From this side.
আমি গণনা কৰিবলৈ সাধাৰণতে যিবিলাক সংখ্যা ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁ সেইবিলাক
Shubham, what is counting number?
Counting number that we use to count any object or things. Basically, counting numbers are natural numbers.
So counting numbers are nothing but it is just a natural number. It starts from where? One. So counting number. It starts from one, no, not zero. Okay. If we add zero, then it becomes whole number. It's different. So counting number is different, whole number is different. Everybody got the point? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me one thing. How to identify numbers based on quantity? Do you know? Anyone? Based on quantity? No one.
Don't know, sir.
Let me explain first. Do you know Pani Puri?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's suppose Sonia, there is a competition tomorrow between Sonia and Rinki. So Rinki has eaten how much? 20 Pani Puris, okay? How much? 20. And Sonia has eaten how much? 30 Pani Puris. So now you tell me, who has eaten more Pani Puris?
Sonia.
Sonia, right? And how did you identify that? Sonia eaten more. How did you identify that?
Based on the number.
Yes, by counting it, no?
Counting, yes.
We count the number, no? And then we identify. So we can identify the number by counting it, okay? So our today's topic is based on that only, which is greater than, less than, and equal to. I am writing it here. Now tell me one thing. In my hand, how many pens do you see?
4.
Four pen, right? Yes. If I take one pen from here in this hand, then how many pens it becomes?
3.
Right? So 3 is more than 1, right?
Yes.
So it is more. So we can call also it greater, right? We can call it greater.
Yes.
So if we compare them, just see here, it is 3, it is 1. We can say that it is more. But
More.
if we compare them both, then you can say that 3 is
Greater than one.
right?
Yes.
So, and there is a symbol, specific symbol for the greater than also. I will show you here. Here it is. You can see visible, right?
Yes, sir.
It is what symbol?
Greater than.
This symbol, right? Greater than. And it is not that it is like this, right? It is like this. How many faces does it have? 2 sides, right?
Yes.
One is the open side, another is the pointed side, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the pointed side, and this is the open side.
Open side.
Open side, right? This open side is always face the greater number. If we write here like this, if we write here 6 and 4, then the open side will always face this side.
Greater than.
We cannot do this. If we write 4 here, then 6 here, and if we write this, then it is totally wrong.
It wrong. Yes.
Because this open side will always face the greater number. It can't face the smaller number. Understood?
Yes.
sir.
Now, if I ask you a simple problem, say 25 and 21, which one is greater here?
Sir, 25.
25.
So which symbol will you use here?
Greater than.
Greater than.
This one, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Everybody understood, right?
Yes.
sir.
Now the next one we'll see. Now, if we take 3 pen in this end
Yes.
and 1
Yes.
pen in this end, in which hand we you can see the less number of pen?
Sir.
1.
One.
One.
In this hand, right?
Left hand.
If we compare them, we can say that the pen in my left hand is lesser than the pen in my right hand, right? Because
Yes.
here it is 1 and here it is 3, right?
3.
So, and here we use this symbol, the complete opposite one. Before we used this symbol, and now we are using this opposite one. Before we use this symbol, right? And
Yes.
now we use the complete opposite one, this one. We'll see some problems there also. Let's suppose we write 6 and we write here 9. Which is smaller here?
6.
6.
6, right?
Yes.
So this symbol or this symbol will come here.
The second one.
Right side.
Second one.
Right?
Yes.
Why it will come here? Because this is the pointed side and this is the smaller number, no?
Yes.
So this will come here. And if I ask you the last one, which is our equal one. If I take only two pen, same number of pen in my both hands,
Yes.
then in this case, you can see that in my left hand also there are 1 pen, in my right hand it is also 1 pen.
One.
And if we compare them, we can see that both the numbers are same. So here we use this side, this equal side. Now I will give you some problem. Kindly take out your books and notebook. So, Ankur, which one will come here? Symbol?
Greater than.
Which one?
This one 368.
This one greater, no? Which symbol will come here?
Greater
This
than.
one?
Yes.
Here?
Less than.
This one, right?
Is less than 212.
Here?
Less than.
Greater
Greater
than.
than.
This one, right?
Yes, sir.
And if we write this like this, now
Equal to.
Equal.
now note down some homework. 11:90
यस सर
हाँ
कितना टाइम हुआ कितना टाइम दिया था
पता नहीं
कितना टाइम कितना टाइम
15 minutes.
15 মিনিট এটা ক্লাসে কিমান থাকে কিমান মিনিট লাগে
45
45 minutes के लिए प्रिपेयर होना था मैंने बोला था के लिए 45 minutes 40 minutes का प्रिपेयर होके आना है आपके टीचर लोग क्या करेंगे ये बनाओगे
This is 15 minutes.
मैडम ने की बोला था सिंपल टॉपिक क्लास जो इजी होगा ऐड कर सकते हैं
यहाँ पर थोड़ा मिस्टेक हुआ है